Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Job Seekers Hub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about important hirings from companies. So as I promised earlier, every Sunday I will make this video. I will cover all the hirings throughout the week. So if you haven't watched those videos, if you haven't applied for that opportunity, you can apply for this opportunity from here as well. Many of the people, what they are doing is they are coming, they are just clicking links and they are gone. Trust me guys, if you just click on the links, you will not be able to understand which particular year is eligible for this particular opportunity, which skills you needed. Like this you are not able to understand. Just try to watch this video until the end. You got to know each and everything about this opportunity. And without wasting the time, let's start this video. Before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe our Job Seekers Hub channel and please like this video as well. Razorpay announced its off-campus hiring for a 2027 candidates. So if you are from a 2027-2028, then this opportunity is for you guys. There will be no resume, no long application here. Just you have to give the basic details. If you want to read all these things, you can just read all these things. And here you can see they are hiring for various roles like AI growth, AI risk manager, AI revenue recovery, AI finance controller and open track. You have to just select one role from those. Click on this apply for this track. From over there you can just select one role which you like, and after that you have to give your about you, your full name, your college, your graduation, your in person from September, yes or no. Like this is a in person based opportunity and this will be a 6 and 12 months of a time period. There will be no resume screening, but you have to give your resume as well, and your track, your project work and your introduction, like 5 minutes of video of yours is also mandatory. Click on that, open this form and give the basic details over there. And after that just scroll down. Over there you will find apply now link. From there you will be redirected to here. Here you can see Razorpay Outgrow Ordinary AI Builder Internship 2026. Here just give your email, full name, college name, graduation year and in-person availability September, yes or no. Just click on yes, and after that click on next. You have to fill some basic details. Like that you can apply for this particular opportunity and share this opportunity with your friends who are graduating in 2027 as well. And the next hiring is from GlobalLogic guys. So GlobalLogic is hiring for associate software engineer. Here you can see this is a associate software engineer opportunity from GlobalLogic. And here you can see this is a software product engineering opportunity. Experience they require is a 0 to 1 years. Location is India, Gurugram. Skills here you can see if you are good in front end, then this opportunity is for you guys. So don't miss this opportunity because this is a one of a great opportunity from GlobalLogic as well. I already shared some GlobalLogic non-IT earlier. This is a IT based hiring, so please try to apply for this opportunity as well. I will give this link in this video description. Here just fill your basic details like your first name, last name, email, phone, gender, country, residence, total years of experience. If you had 1 year of experience you can mention that, otherwise you can put it as a 0. Preferred job location, this is a Gurugram based opportunity, and annual expected salary, whether it is a 3 or 4 LPA, and notice period. Like that you have to give your basic details. At last just click on this how to hear about this opportunity. Over there you can just give social media and then upload your resume and just submit this opportunity by clicking on submit now button. And the next opportunity is from Jansar guys. So Jansar is hiring for data annotation and data labeling. I already shared this opportunity with you. If you haven't applied for that, you can apply. The start date is 1st September guys. Today is 23rd August. You had 8 days of time. This is a work from home based opportunity. Duration is 2 months and you will receive a salary of 50,000 over there. It was a mention. So please try to apply for this opportunity if you are looking for a work from home opportunity from Jansar, and share this opportunity with your friends as well. And the next opportunity is from Amazon. This is also a work from home opportunity. They are hiring for associate ML data operations, and here you can see they are hiring for these locations, but those are virtual. The one is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai and Andhra Pradesh. So if you are a graduate, just apply for this opportunity. Any graduate 2022 2026 can apply for this opportunity because they didn't mention any particular year is eligible for this opportunity. You just need is either a bachelor's degree or a postgraduate degree. If you are from a bachelor degree it will be okay. If you are from a postgraduate it also be okay. Try to apply for this opportunity as well. And the next big opportunity is from Accenture. So the link is still active. They are hiring for a customer software engineer. This is for a Python role, and full stack role also available. If you want that role, you can watch my previous videos or just visit our website. From over there you can get this link. Many of the students are getting assessment mails for this particular opportunities. If you are from a 23, 24, 25, 26, don't miss. Please try to apply for this opportunity as well. You may get a examination mail from Accenture very soon. For this particular opportunity, just degree is enough. They didn't mention BE, BTech, BSc. Anyone can apply for this opportunity. All you need is only a degree. Try to apply for this Accenture Custom Software Engineer as well. And the next opportunity is from Birlasoft. Here you can see this is an enterprise application role. I already shared this opportunity. One of the candidate from last video mentioned he got an interview location as Chennai for 21st August. Please don't miss this opportunity. Please try to apply for this opportunity. You may get interview call from the team as well. This is a Birlasoft enterprise application role. Just try to read all the things here. And for this particular opportunity, only 2025 and 2026 BE BTech graduates are eligible. Here you can see they mentioned BE BTech computer science and year of pass out is 25-26. Please try to apply for this opportunity as well. And the big boom opportunity is from Revature. So Revature is sending assessment mails. I already made a video on that particular topic. Many of the candidates are receiving assessment mails for this particular opportunity. This is a junior trainer role, guys. Please remind that this is not a software developer or a technical support role. This is a junior trainer role. If you are okay that are you open to work as a trainer, click on yes, then only apply for this opportunity. If you just click on no, you just don't shortlist for this opportunity, and you have to click on yes only. After that, are you okay to relocate to Chennai? From over there also you just have to click on yes. After that, just here you have to specify your highest qualification. For MCA, only 25 and 26 graduates are eligible for this opportunity. If you are from a BSc, BTech, 23, 24, 25, 26 also can apply for this particular opportunity. Try to apply for this opportunity because this is one of a good opportunity from Revature. And the other opportunity is from Adani. Adani is hiring for apprentice. Here you can see Mumbai, Maharashtra is the region. I already made a video yesterday only. If you haven't watched that, you can. And here you can see your role is a trainee screener, and year of graduation eligible is 25 and 2026 pass outs only. So if you are looking for an opportunity from Adani, you can apply for this opportunity, and this is a apprentice role. Another hiring is from Deloitte, guys. So Deloitte is hiring for consultant OCI process automation, Bengaluru, Oracle. I already shared this opportunity. Here Hyderabad and Bengaluru are the region. Hyderabad is preferred. Over there, that was a spelling mistake. Leave that. 5 days work from office is there. Fresher level is graduation. So if you had a experience level fresher and if you had a graduation, if you are a immediate joining within a week, you can apply for this opportunity. 2022-2026 can apply for this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity from Deloitte as well. And the last hiring is from Capgemini, guys. So Capgemini is hiring for associate software engineer. This is a technical support role. If you want more details about this particular opportunity, you can just watch my yesterday's video, because over there I discussed each and everything for this opportunity. For this opportunity, experienced and freshers also can try. So if you had a experience, if you are a fresher, just try to apply for this opportunity from Capgemini. So that's it, guys. This is the hiring video. I covered almost all the important companies here. If you had any doubt regarding this, you can ask, comment in comment section. I will try to give reply to each and every comment as well. And thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind. Bye bye now.